Hello, dear all. Good afternoon. Today, our topic is on apiculture or to caring of honeybees colony and to call as this seasonal management. So today we are going to discuss on this topic that what is the need of this seasonal management to protect the honeybee colony. Let's see in detail. Okay, so the basic principles of this bee management is what, so that what may be the all the management practices need or needed. Why? To obviously we need to increase the yield or increase the honey production, and around the basic some points should be remembered to what is the need of this management or that basic principles of bee management. So like to what may be the foraging to occur in bees. So if we build up or ensuring the foraging force of honeybees and at the right time or for the collection of more amount or surplus of nectar purpose, even though that providing space for the storage and to ripening of the nectar, even in the honeybees colony, and even also that removing of honey from at hive at the right time and extracting it comb or to honey production purpose. And if we need that to colonies for the preparing and to withstand of any adverse climatic condition, or maybe that no honey flow, or that we can call that the period where is the dearth period, and by means of the these enemies also, that time the precautions should be taken or to protect the honeybees. That's where these are the some basic principles of bee management. And likewise, the beekeeping activities that will start with the onset of spring in the cold areas, and therefore if we applied it's a appropriate time and appropriate management practices starting from that season. And in case however in some parts of the country there are the different season, and the management also that varied or that varies as per the different season. So it's a depend on climatic condition, and it depend on its various country to take care about this honeybees. So now the first one, the seasonal management, it's totally depend on the climate and also it's a vegetation of the honeybees worker in different areas in different country. So likewise, the from season to season, its management is varies. Okay, so here that I have mentioned here, season to season, that a different variation of management practices. So hence, the some basic specific management practices which was which is carried out to management or to manage the honeybees. So first one is the during the honey flow season management. Second one is a during summer season management. Third one is a winter season management, and lastly the fourth one, the rainy season management, or we can talk with the monsoon period. Okay, so in this honey flow season management, so here the first one we have to provide, this is the first point, provide space for honey storage. So where we that to kept that colony of honeybees, we have to provide sufficient space in future purpose for giving like artificial comb, like a foundation seed, to get the extra yield or extra honey and to make a provision to build up the colony. That purpose to need this type of this practice. Even also the place queen excluder sheet, that sometimes if you need that to queen and to protect them, so in between the brood and super chamber. Okay, so in these two, so we have to put this queen excluder sheet to confine the queen to brood chamber Okay, so not to goes in anywhere, or that to protect from the swarming or maybe in absconding purpose, and to prevent the egg laying in the super chamber. That way, that purpose, the queen excluder seed is required. And so already I talked that to prevent the swarming and absconding for by mean for the to get honey. That is why this practices is very helpful. Now the next prior to honey flow period, so that use like a sugar syrup that artificially we have to prepare them, and to provide this honeybee colony, uh, in case in outside environment or in outside in nature, if not getting the much more flora or that forage, so during that period we have to provide this type of the sugar syrup, or to stimulate the queen or to start the laying the eggs in the honeybee colony. That's way it's required. Now, if the strong colony, if they're developed, so we have to divide and to develop 2 to 3 new colonies if the colony multiplication is required. So that time, so we have to use or we have to follow these practices for the new colony development purpose. And in case artificial queen grafting techniques may be also the followed to produce the new queen. So for the if we develop the new colonies in our area or in our apiary, so that time, so we have to also that facility need to available to queen grafting techniques should be followed, and for the new colony purpose. Otherwise the new colony not there to maintain or sustain there. So that's purpose this type of this queen grafting techniques also should be followed. Okay, following this technique, queens can be produced throughout the year, and in normal case, queen cells are constructed only in the honey flow season. So this is overall this honey flow season management. So now next one, this summer management. So which are these some summer practices should we follow to ensure or to protect our bee colony? Like to reduce the first one, what is the need of this summer management? Because of in summer there is the high temperature range, so obviously this temperature range should be also that very harmful to bee colony in summer. So for to protection of this bee colony in summer, we have to keep under the trees, like to need a shade, or we have to that use the artificial like to provide the shade with the shade, like to use like any like a cloth or that to protect them, and to wear that to apiary or that bee hive or that boxes we are kept. So we have to give the protection from the high temperature. So likewise, place gunny bags on all side of the hive except entrance. Keep it in mind, this entrance is very essential to moving this all that workers purpose to collection, or even for to sprinkling the water on that where that colony where that present. So that time this purpose this entrance also need, and to if we have the water facility, so this honeybees worker can easily collect the water and to sprinkling on that bee colony or bee comb twice a day. Okay, if not that possible, to we have to use these gunny bags with put in the water, and to again that to spread on that all sides of the beehive. Okay, increase ventilation to proper aeration purpose, and introducing a splinter between the brood and super chamber to give the proper environment or proper cooling environment inside these two chamber. That's way. Okay, in case if you have available to sugar syrup or pollen supplement to give them, so for to additional to getting the honey, and to make provision for this purpose. Okay, a source of fresh water within a short distance of an apiary, already I talked and discussed previously. If we have better facility to put or to prepare likewise a provision for a water source to use the sprinkle on water, sprinkling of water on the honeybee comb. That's way water is required to blend with the food and to lower the temperature of the hive during the hot water. That's why the summer management time, this type of the provision is very need. Okay, so in winter management, in this winter management, the strong colonies perform well in winter as more bees produce in this heat. So all cracks, crevices, and holes should be closed. Why? To protect the highway from the winter. Okay, the direction of the highway should be in a such a way to avoid strong winds entering the highway. Otherwise, our colony should be harmed. Purpose should be harmed. So to protect purpose, to protection purpose, this type of the direction should be changed. Artificial diet should be given to maintain the strong and disease-free colony. Otherwise, there is a chances to many diseases to develop. Okay, and to provide new queen to hives. Likewise, already we discussed this grafting technique to replace or to make provision. Winter packing in the cooler areas also need. Okay, now the rainy season. In rainy season, the or monsoon season, a regular examination of the colony immediately after rains. Okay, so why? If there is the some harmful effect occur inside this colony, so we have to remove likewise and to give protection and different management practices that to implement need and clean the hive to reduce underwater content inside hive. Otherwise, there is the chances to develop the disease. Okay, while raining the raining when the bees are confined to the hive, feed them with the sugar syrup. These all techniques why need, because of to need to gives the protection from these different variation occur in the environment and protect the our sweet honeybees to get maximum honey and other honey produce that honey product. Okay, likewise, to this purpose, this all management techniques is required to maintain and to conserve this our bees and to protect them. Purpose this type of the seasonal management is essential. This is very short topic of today, so hope you understood. Okay, if you have any doubt or queries, so you can call me. Thank you.